3.0 SCFM delivered at 90 psi pump, 2.5 gallon tank, and 200 max psi of the portable air compressor enables large amount of nails to be fired and provides quick recovery. Durable oil-free pump of the electric air compressor provides extended maintenance-free operation. Low 71.5 DWFP55130 of DEWALT portable air compressor allows for quieter operation, tested per ISO 3744. Low 12 amp draw motor provides easy startup and reduces breaker tripping. Lightweight, 36 lbs. Thin, 12.5 inch, and compact design is easy to carry and store. Compressor can be operated, stored in either the vertical or horizontal position. Roll cage and control panel provide protection to key compressor components. This 2.5 gallon, 200 max psi compressor is ideal for supporting a variety of pneumatic and air tool applications. The oil-free pump delivers 30 SCFM at 90 psi for long tool runtime and quick recovery. The compressor can be operated, stored in either the vertical, horizontal position for quick and easy space saving around a garage or job site.